What's up? What's up? How you doing? This is Ernest Logoleo. Listen, if this is your first time checking me out, do me a favor, go down below and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money with these envelopes. All right, so let's go. Welcome back. So if you're checking this video out, my name is Ernest Logoleo. On my channel, I talk about how to make money online, and I share with you strategies and tips on how to crush it online. And yeah, so let's go. So you're probably wondering, what am I doing with these envelopes, right? So this opportunity right here is basically making money with these envelopes. All right, so let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So as you can see here, I just got these in the mail, and let me open it up and share with you what I got going on here. All right, so look, these are freshly opened envelopes, and so this mail came from Auburn, Washington. All right, so, and let me share with you. So basically, this secret letter right here, right? This secret letter is the secret to all this. So this is a offline direct mail opportunity where you send people this magic letter, and they purchase products that the company has been around for 4 years or so. And what's great about this is the company actually pays for your first 200 mailers. All right, so there's no other company out there that does this where they pay for your own advertisement. Now, I'm not going to show you the cash here because the policy is you can't show the cash when you're opening these envelopes, but I can tell you right now this is $30 that I have here. $30, okay? And that was from Auburn, Washington. Now this next envelope is a little bigger and heavier. It's from, let's see, Sacramento, California. Sacramento, California. All right, so let me open this up for you. We have a magazine, right? We have a magazine, and inside, National Geographic. Thank you for the magazine, by the way. Saving energy starts at home. Awesome. So, and then I have another envelope inside this envelope, and it has my name on it. See that, Ernest? So let me open this up, check out what's going on in here. And what do you know? Again, it's the magic letter. All right, the magic letter. So this person came in at level 3, right? So they enrolled at level 3. So you see right here, level 3. Okay, and that's just awesome. So let me see how much I got here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 4. $400. All right. So look. This opportunity has been around for at least 4 years. It's a direct mail opportunity where you send out letters, the secret letter to these people, and you make money, you make cash. Now the products are different levels, and the crazy thing is that this business or this company offers to pay for your mailers, right? So when I joined this opportunity, I opted in for the 200 mailers, and the mail start going out and people start purchasing the products and you get paid. It's very simple. You have success coaches that closes all your high ticket sales. You don't have to close them yourself, right? So it's been it's pretty awesome. So I've been promoting this for maybe a couple weeks now or so, and it's been good. So if you want a copy of this letter and be able to join my team, show you how this works, right? There's going to be a link in the description on this video, secret letter. Just click on that link and grab the letter, and then focus on the information on this letter. Make sure you read them in detail, you understand, okay? And there will be a website and a number at the end of the letter where you can contact them directly with your questions, and they'll be able to answer any question that you may have. And also feel free, my email will also be in the description below. Feel free to hit me up. You can email me. My phone number should be on there also, okay? And you can text me, if you have any questions. But if you want the full detailed information, contact the company directly, and they will be able to help you out, okay? So let's go. Grab that secret letter right below, and make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I put out new videos. This is Ernest Logoleo. Welcome to my channel, and again, subscribe and let me know what you think about what I got here. If you want to comment mailbox money, that's fine too, or give me some feedback on this opportunity. I'll be more than happy to respond and reply to your comments. All right. Again, this is Ernest Logoleo. Peace out.